Hey guys, so I wanted to try something different and do just a show and tell and follow along of me making some butter chicken with a crock pot. I hope you'll enjoy it and follow along. I'll definitely link the recipe in the description down below with both the instructions and the ingredients and the amount that you'll need. Alright, let's get started. So I've laid out most of the ingredients for making butter chicken, other than the chicken itself. So I'll just run through a few of the ingredients to start. I've chopped up about 9 cloves of garlic. I've also got 2 tablespoons of just regular bleached all-purpose flour. Got a can of 14 ounces of coconut milk just from the grocery store. We'll be using about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, paprika, as well as ground cumin, any kind, cayenne pepper, and of course black pepper, corns. The last 3 ingredients that'll be unique to this recipe include coriander powder I got here, garam masala powder, I'm probably not saying these names correctly at all, as well as some turmeric powder. And of course, last but not least, I'll have my handy dandy crock pot to use. This will be good enough, big enough for just the small batch that I'm making for myself. And so, let's get started making an easy crock pot butter chicken recipe. And so the first part is I'm just going to start off by chopping up about maybe a pound of chicken breast. Got my cutting board right here. That I was fairly simple. You can really cut it however you like. I'm just gonna cut it up into small cubes right here. So I like cutting it up smaller, maybe we'll say like an inch, about an inch, and if they were cubes, even though meat is squishy, so it doesn't actually stay as a solid cube. But you get the idea. And just cutting it up into cubes. Nothing fancy here, you know, whatever you like. Maybe you want it into long, thin strips. I just think cubes are easy bite size that I prefer. The other thing is the smaller the pieces, the faster that the chicken's gonna cook. But it's a crock-pot slow cook recipe, so that's why I'm preparing this at 11 a.m. and after probably about 4 hours, so it should definitely be done by dinner time. I'm gonna wash my hands again. So, right here, just plug it in, open the lid, and plop it in. So next, we're gonna start adding the spices. So I'm gonna start off with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Our nice Bertolli extra virgin olive oil here. Got the crock pot. And whoa, voila. and we're gonna add the 14 ounces of, well, can says 13 and a half, but I think that we can round up. Coconut oil, milk. Whoa, okay, don't do that, but I would give it a nice shake, just so that it's all nice and immersed. For safety reasons, I usually like to just grab a spoon and kind of pry it open. Don't use your hands, you can cut yourself. Yep. And I've got that nice right here. Looks really good. So I'm just going to slowly pour the coconut milk in. So next part is 2 tablespoons of flour, and I actually did measure that up already, so I'm gonna give that a nice easy pour in. And afterwards we also have 2 tablespoons of garam masala. So we'll start off with this guy. I'm not usually like exact sciencey about this, and I realize I'm making a huge mess, but that's how cooking goes, and that's okay as long as you clean up afterwards. Alright, we're back. Yeah, I just had to go run to the store and grab the tomato paste. So the last of the ingredients that I missed is 6 ounces of tomato paste. Tomato paste is always a bit of a challenge. It just kind of gets stuck in there. So something else that I didn't mention is I'll usually let this cook for maybe about 4 hours, and that's pretty good to cook the 1-inch cubes of chicken all the way